This is the first episode of our journey. Sailed from Sweden in October 2017, and now we've been living on a boat for 1.5 years. My name is Anja, and I'm the first deckhand on board. This is my captain Oscar and our dog Bob. We start our journey on the west coast of Sweden. Follow our YouTube channel and come along on our adventures. Life on board Hexagone is always exciting, and we get to see many beautiful places. Here, we're sailing with our home towards a new destination, and we never know how our new home is going to look like. We had days with beautiful winter sailing, until one day when the captain let me read the weather charts and we ended up with crazy harsh wind. But after rain comes sunshine. And even though it's November, we can still cook our dinner outside. Before we left Sweden, we promised Bob sun, mangoes and bananas. But I promise you, Bob, we are going to take you there. Now we've been living on a boat for 1.5 years, and we know that we have many life lessons to learn and many seas to cross before we reach Jamaica. We had many days with bad weather when we were in Denmark. We just wanted to leave and head on south. Yeah, we were pretty bored here. So when we could leave for Germany, the captain was happy. But with bad weather outside, we get to be creative inside. So we did a lot of mixing, flew with our drones, and went out on adventures. We can only sail a few hours every day, because it's winter and there's not many sun hours. Here we're sailing towards a new home. It's a small fishing village in Germany named Lippe. We spend the Christmas here, fly with our drones, before we sail on again to the Kiel channel and the lock. Unfortunately, as we go through the channels, there is no ice on the water yet. In Brunsbüttel, we were actually stuck in ice a few days, until my fantastic captain managed to back us out of the harbor with full power on throttle and out in the Kiel channel again. While we were stuck in Brunsbüttel, Oscar crashes his drone and managed to break the camera lens. He repairs it though by taking the lens from his drone.
Here we are, looking through the channel. We got boats everywhere. Here we have Anja at the rudder. This is our lunch. And it's feeling quite nice actually. Sun is shining. They tell us safety first. Everything nice.
No smoking, safety first. No screw, let's not apply to us.
We don't care.
Good morning, Captain.
So here we are. After a terrible night. Brunsbüttel. The harbor where we were supposed to go over there was closed. And they directed us to a bridge. Well, it was actually more like piles with something in between. And well, it was a rough night to say the least. Slept maybe 3 hours. Now we just talked to the lockmaster and awaiting clearance to enter the locks and continue to Elbe and Cuxhaven.